have a Pontiac G6 2007, and the problem that I was experiencing, like most of you probably are, temperature gauge wasn't working, AC stopped working, and the check engine light came on. So, of course, like with everybody else, I threw parts at it, I read first, did some research, and started throwing parts at it. Tried the thermostat, bought a brand new one, 21 bucks. That didn't fix it. What else did I tried the cluster? Went to the junkyard, got another one. That didn't fix it. So I'm up to about 50 bucks. So I'm just like, okay. So started, then I changed the coolant temperature sensor. Thought that might have been the problem. That didn't fix it. I know I got to detail it, so excuse the mess. It's been live on a dirt road. So this plug-in, you have to make sure that the wires and the pins are connected. So mine wasn't, which was making the AC stop working, making the car run a little rough, all because of the wiring. So I busted it up and just fed it directly to it just to see if it had fixed the problem, which it did. So now I'm gonna go and try and get a connector. I think you get it from the parts store. I think they sell them. But that's the fix. So try that before you start throwing other parts in it.